We have quantified here the hours saved because A, it's impressive, I think, but B, it kind of helps you really see exactly what you can be doing with even some AI technology. But it's not just about time. We're not just sitting here saying, hey, someone that used to do 68 hours of work, you don't need them anymore. This process hasn't just saved time, it's made, like Kathy just said, tons of other things possible. We can reallocate so much of our time, A, to things that we should have just been doing anyway. Like we have a better podcast where we're producing better episodes that we just didn't have time to produce in the past. We have more efficiencies, but also more opportunities. There's tons more we can and are now doing thanks to artificial intelligence. So it's not just about cutting time, cutting hours. It's also about doing the things that you dream of doing when you are producing content. And I think we've really started down the path of being able to do an incredible amount more thanks to AI.